Hi, this is Elizabeth from WTI, and if you're looking for a decorative pillow to be able to match with your boho style and just look really awesome on your couch, then check this one out from the Blue Page store. You're going to get 2 pillow covers that are black and cream, 24 by 24 inch. What it means by getting a pillow cover is that it is just the cover. You have to have your own pillow for the insert, but which makes it great because then you can take any old pillow that you might have. Maybe you've just gotten tired of the design and you can spruce it up and get a whole new vibe in your living room. I really love all the intricate decorations of this style. I love that it's square and that it's a little bit uneven, that we have more of the black lines on the bottom than we do on the top. And then we have these cool diamonds on the sides. Down here at the bottom, I don't know if you can tell, but it's definitely like off-white. These are cream, this is black. And then this line right here is almost like a creamy pink. It definitely has a pink tone to it, but it's super soft and subtle. And I like that it gives it a little bit of color without distracting from any of your other decor or like colors you have going on in your room. Obviously I have a green couch and some yellow accents, and I like that that adds just a little bit more color to everything. On the sides, they also have these tassels that give it a little fun design. If you're looking for new decoration for your living room or for your bedroom and you want to have new throw pillows that give it that neutral design, but also that boho decoration with the design of it, but keeping the colors very simple, then this is definitely one that you're going to want to check out. But that's just my point of view.